Hello everyone. Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to share templates in BoldSign. Templates are pre-designed layouts that can be used for creating new documents. They are useful when you need to send the same document repeatedly. Creating a template with the necessary document and recipient information can save time and streamline the process for future use. Templates also simplify sending documents, especially when you send similar documents regularly or to the same recipients. They offer flexibility, allowing you to use them as they are as a base for your document. You can customize every aspect of a template to suit your needs. When you share a template, it becomes accessible to other users or user groups within your account. This sharing capability enables others to utilize the template to send documents for signatures. Additionally, you can adjust the sharing settings for any template as needed. Imagine I am the marketing manager in a marketing agency. I aim to ensure that our client proposals created remain consistent. To simplify and streamline the process of developing proposals each time, I'm creating a template for client proposals and sharing it with my marketing team. This way, they can easily use the template whenever they need to send a proposal to a client. To demonstrate, I first access the BoldSign application page and click Create New. I then select Create New Template to display the template preparation page. I type in the title as Marketing Proposal and a description of the template as this proposal is applicable for clients. I then browse a document from my computer by clicking the Browse button. I add the role. I then check all the remaining options and then click Next. On the configuration page, I add the name, email, text box, signature and the date signed field and click the Save the Template button. If you want to use the template now, click Yes Use Template button. I don't want to use it now, so I will click Not Now button. I am directed to All Templates page. With the template prepared and saved, I can locate it on the My Templates page. In this case, I want to share my template with the marketing team. I click the templates and select the My Templates option. On the displayed page, I hover over the template I just created and click the context menu. A list of options is displayed. I then select the Share option. On the pop-up box, I select the team that I want to share my template with. In this case, I choose the marketing team and select the Add button. You can also select multiple teams and share the template with them simultaneously. When sharing the template, two options are available: Can Edit and Can Use options. You can choose Can Edit if you want to allow the team members to edit the template. Otherwise, you can restrict editing by selecting the Can Use option. In this case, I will enable only the Can Use option since I don't want any editing to be done on the document and click Share. Now, the template has been shared successfully. Moreover, if you decide not to share the template, you can click the context menu again and choose Share, and you can remove the team from it. Let us now look at the shared template from one of the marketing team members' side. I click the template option and select Shared Templates. The one that I have shared now will be displayed. I then hover over the template and click the context menu. I can use the template by clicking the Use option. That's all about sharing templates in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.